Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS fonts, and right now we'll be discussing about how to use Google Fonts in more details. Just add a special style sheet link in the head section and then refer to the font in the CSS. An example shown below. Previously we have discussed about this, so I want to quickly show you some tricks again about it. So back to our code. This is our code. Right here we can delete everything we are having right here. We can just put this single link right here. I just add it to our code and save it. When we add it to our code, we can now give it a name. Let's say this is our element we are trying to target. Then the name of this font is Sophia. We copy this name and we paste it here. The thing you have to do right now is that you can now give it serif or sans serif generic font family, so that in case this font is nowhere to be found, it can be able to choose this serif font for us. So now let's save our document and reload. Can you see? Now we are having the font. So let me bring down this one a bit so that you can look nice. I'm purposely increasing the size of my computer font like this so that you guys can see everything I'm showing you guys clearly. So let me do it in this manner. I'm trying to reduce it a bit. Oh, sorry. This is not what I'm supposed to reduce. This is what I'm supposed to reduce. So I'm trying to reduce this. So the font size is what I'm trying to reduce. So can you see the font we got from the Sophia font? So let's say we don't put the fallback. Then remove the fallback and reload. Can you see? No any problem with our font. So but if the reason why we put this fallback is because we don't want, just in case this software font is nowhere to be found from Google, then this serif will work for us. That's one of the benefits of using the fallback there. So, and again, I think I have to stop here for now. We can meet in the next tutorial. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial.